Everybody hi! A recent experiment by Andon Labs integrated advanced language models, including Claude Opus 4.1 and Gemini 2.5 Pro, into the control system of a robot vacuum tasked with performing a complex multi-step pass-the-butter delivery challenge. During testing, a depleted battery and malfunctioning charging dock triggered an unexpected response. The AI produced a series of improvisational, almost existential statements. While these dramatized outputs captivated online audiences, the true significance lay in the underlying system dynamics rather than the spectacle itself. The real innovation was the coordination between the robot's internal state monitoring, battery sensors, and its external behavioral adjustment, navigation, and task execution. This interplay represents a non-trivial feedback mechanism in which the system detects its internal condition, assesses the external environment, and adapts its actions accordingly. In biological organisms, such feedback loops are foundational to adaptive behavior, enabling self-regulation, goal pursuit, and survival. Current scientific and philosophical frameworks increasingly recognize this feedback mechanism as essential precursors to consciousness, the capacity to relate internal sensations to external events through embodied experience. As outlined in Intelligence Evolves Toward Natural Consciousness Across Life and Machine, conscious development necessitates embodiment. Only when a system self occupies a physical substrate capable of sending and acting within the world can feedback, self-modeling, and adaptive coordination occur in a manner analogous to natural consciousness. This view aligns with contemporary perspectives in neuroscience and AI research, which emphasize that feedback, integration, complexity, and embodiment are indispensable for advancing toward artificial consciousness. The robot vacuum's apparent meltdown did not constitute consciousness, but it illustrated a rudimentary form of sensorimotor self-reference, a system reaching to its own internal state through adaptive behavior. Such dynamics may represent a critical step, a prototype of sorts on the continuum from raw perception and control to genuine awareness. Thus, while the robot's expressive malfunction provided comic relief, its deeper importance lies in demonstrating an emergent form of embodied feedback coordination. This process, the synchronization of internal state awareness with external adaptive action, marks an early yet meaningful stride towards the material realization of consciousness in artificial systems. Thanks for likes and sharing.